Moringa oleifera, commonly known as the drumstick tree, horseradish tree, ben oil tree, or benzoyl tree, is a fast-growing, deciduous tree native to the Himalayan foothills of India and Pakistan. It can be identified by its slender, deciduous leaves and long, drumstick-like pods. The tree typically reaches a height of 40 feet and has a straight trunk with corky, whitish bark. Most growers trim the tree to an average height of 6 feet so that the leaves and seed pods are more easily harvested. The leaves are bipinnate or tripinnate, with numerous small oblong leaflets. The flowers are fragrant, white or cream-colored, and appear in loose clusters. The fruit is a long, slender, triangular pod, sometimes reaching up to 10 to 20 inches in length, which contains dark brown seeds. Growing conditions. Moringa is highly adaptable and can grow in a variety of soil types, though it prefers well-drained sandy or loamy soils with the pH between 6.3 and 7.0. It thrives in tropical and subtropical climates and can tolerate some drought. The tree requires plenty of sunlight and grows best in temperatures between 77 degrees to 95 degrees. Moringa can be propagated by seeds or cuttings. Seeds should be planted in well-prepared beds, and cuttings should be around 3 feet long and planted in the ground. Growth rate. Moringa is known for its rapid growth rate. Seedlings can grow up to 9 feet in the first year and can begin producing flowers and pods within 6 months. Under optimal conditions, a mature tree can produce up to 1 to 600 pods annually. Nutritional benefits. Moringa is a powerhouse of nutrients. Its leaves, pods, and seeds are all highly nutritious. 1. Leaves. Rich in vitamins A, C, and E, calcium, potassium, and protein, the leaves are often compared to spinach for their nutrient density. 2. Pods contain vitamin C, dietary fiber, and are a good source of antioxidants. 3. Seeds. High in oleic acid and other beneficial fatty acids. Oil from seed pods. Ben oil, the oil extracted from moringa seeds, known as ben oil, is highly valued for its stability and resistance to rancidity. It contains a high concentration of oleic acid, making it comparable to olive oil in terms of nutritional and culinary value. Ben oil is used for cooking, cosmetics, and as a lubricant. It can also be used to create essential oils and salves. Its stable nature and moisturizing properties make it an excellent base for various formulations in skincare and hair care. Flower and pod production. Moringa flowers can be produced all year round in suitable climates. The flowers are edible and can be used in salads or as a garnish. Pods develop soon after flowering and can be harvested when young and tender or left to mature for seed production. Regular harvesting of pods and leaves encourages further production. Invasiveness. Moringa can become invasive in warm climates due to its rapid growth and prolific seed production. It propagates easily from seeds and cuttings, which can spread quickly if not managed properly. The moringa can be considered invasive in areas that fall within USDA hardiness zones 9 to 11. These zones typically have mild winters and warm to hot summers, which are conducive to the growth and propagation of moringa. Whether you are in zones where the tree might become invasive or in colder climates, keeping this amazing tree in a large pot might be the best option for controlling the growth, aiding in regular pruning, and monitoring for unwanted spread. Using a grow bag is a great way to keep this tree healthy and happy, and mobile. A 50-100-gallon grow bag will allow the roots to spread and give more stability to the tree. Additionally, if you live in one of the zones where this tree might become invasive, keeping it on a patio or other area where seed pods can't propagate into the soil is another great idea. Edible uses. Moringa's leaves, pods, seeds, and flowers are all edible. 1. Leaves can be eaten fresh, cooked, or dried and powdered, commonly used in soups, curries, and salads. 2. Pods, often referred to as drumsticks. They are commonly used in South Asian cuisine, either in curries or boiled and eaten as a vegetable. 3. Seeds can be eaten raw or roasted and used to extract oil. 4. Flowers can be used in salads or as a garnish. Medicinal uses. It's important to note that the information shared in this video is for educational purposes only. It is not intended to diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent any disease. I recommend consulting with a qualified healthcare provider before trying anything new. Anti-inflammatory. Moringa has significant anti-inflammatory properties due to the presence of isothiocyanates, flavonoids, and phenolic acids. These compounds help reduce inflammation and can be beneficial for conditions like arthritis and other inflammatory diseases. Anti-aging and antioxidant. The high levels of vitamins A, C, and E in moringa act as antioxidants, helping to combat oxidative stress and protect cells from damage, thus slowing down the aging process. Diabetes management. Moringa leaves have been shown to reduce blood sugar levels and improve insulin sensitivity, making it beneficial for managing diabetes. Detoxification. Moringa supports liver function, which is crucial for detoxifying the body. The leaves and seeds help to detoxify and protect the liver from damage due to toxins. Digestive aid. The fiber content in moringa aids in digestion, helping to prevent constipation and promote regular bowel movements. Joint problems and arthritis. The anti-inflammatory properties of moringa make it effective in reducing pain and inflammation in joints, which can be particularly beneficial for those suffering from arthritis. Skin treatment. Moringa oil is used in skincare products for its moisturizing and nourishing properties. It helps to combat dry skin, reduce fine lines and wrinkles, and promote overall skin health. Nervous system and brain health. Moringa contains vitamins and antioxidants that support brain health, improve cognitive function, and may protect against neurodegenerative diseases. Water purification. Crushed moringa seeds can be used to purify water. They contain cationic proteins that act as a natural flocculant, binding to impurities and causing them to settle, thus clarifying the water. Pregnant women should avoid consuming moringa root, bark, and flowers due to compounds that may cause uterine contractions and potential risks, and should consult with a healthcare provider before using other parts of the moringa tree. Moringa oleifera is an incredibly versatile tree with a wide range of nutritional, medicinal, and practical uses. Its rapid growth and adaptability make it an excellent choice for cultivation in suitable climates. However, its potential to become invasive should be monitored. Incorporating moringa into the diet and utilizing its various parts can offer numerous health benefits, from nutritional supplementation to chronic disease management and beyond.